Hello, this is Nives Karka from Script Portal, and this video is about the scope explanation for Slide2Image Converter. What is this add-on? This add-on converts the selected slide by the user in a presentation into a image of PNG format and saves the image into the user's Google Drive. Once you launch the add-on, you'll be asked to authorize the access for this add-on. And then here, as you can see, this is the client ID. Now, these are the scopes that has been used in the add-on, which I will explain in a moment. Some of them are sensitive and one of them is restrictive. The first sensitive scope we have is auth/script.external request. In this add-on, we store basic information about users such as email, name, location into our secure database. And to connect with our server, we use URL fetch app on the front end or in the side of the add-on. And to use URL fetch app method provided by Google Apps Script, it requires the user to provide us the permission with script.external request. Now, the second scope we are using is auth/presentation. To save the selected slide by user in the format of an image into the user's Google Drive, we require the information about that presentation. To get access to that presentation, we need to find out first the currently opened slide, which is done through get active presentation, and we also need to open that active presentation, which requires open by ID. After we get the access to the presentation, then we can get other information such as the name of the presentation, the slide ID, the slide number, etc. And with those information, then we will be able to extract that slide, which will be saved as an image into the user's Google Drive. And these both methods use the scope known as auth/presentation. And for the get active presentation, we could have used presentations.current only. But the thing is, for the open by ID method, which is the second method using this scope, the only available scope is auth/presentation. That's why we are using auth/presentations instead of presentations.current only. These are the two sensitive scope we are using in the add-on. Now, the third one is auth/drive, which is a restrictive scope. Auth/drive gives the permission to create, delete, read, and update files in the user's drive. However, we are only using this scope because it's the core theme of the add-on, which is to convert the slide into an image, which also means that creating a new file and saving it into the user's Google Drive. And for that, we use the method called driveapp.createFile. And this createFile method uses the scope of auth/drive. But we can assure you we are not creating any other files except for the images, which is converted from the slides. And we are also not using this scope to update or delete any other files and folders in users Google Drive. This add-on does not use any method, any functions, doesn't have any hidden functions or anything that will update or delete any files. As far as creating goes, we only create image from the slides. I hope the explanation was clear. Thank you for watching.